Oh my god.
No, he used to go through it really fast, but now he
that's
I got a new nipple and it takes him a while.
Okay.
It's going up the side.
Yeah, he kind of drools. Oh, you have a video camera. That's so cool.
You suck. Don't chew on my finger.
Yeah, I know. Be careful. He only has lower teeth, remember?
Why? Jeez.
I don't know. Goats and sheep all only have lower teeth. They just have gums on the upper. Weird, huh?
How funny.
Like this. Should we stop? 'Cause it looks like it's getting.
Oh no, it takes him a while.
But Cody,
Yeah. He
Like-
used to
I'm
just suck it
getting
down in 10 seconds.
Lamb drool all over my hand.
Let Cody feed him for a minute.
No.
You
There's
don't want
like
him?
more than half.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, there's still a lot. He reminds me of his dad.
You just put it in a beer bottle.
Yeah, chicken hiney.
Daddy, get my camera. I've got a ton of room on it.
Oh, can I get it? Hey.
Let Dad do it.
How much
He
did you
wants to
drink?
take
Is
photos.
that your dad?
Yeah. I'll introduce you to him.
Oh.
Dad, this is Nandy. Nandy, Dad.
Hi,
Did
Dad.
I stop?
I don't care.
Hey.
Here. Go ahead, Toad. Oh, look at all this slobber. Here, Toad. You gotta hold that though. You gotta hold right there too, so he doesn't pull it off. He'll try and pull the nipple off. He pulls so hard sometimes.
Good, you can sit down. That's probably more comfortable.
It's like tug of war.
You just gotta hold it up so the milk is down there. See?
Hey.
There you go. He's used to squatting
He's
underneath
fussy.
Mom.
So fast. Are you feeling? Ew, you're getting the drool on you. Okay.
It's just milk. He's a boy. Boys don't care about things like that.
Uh-oh. I hear my baby crying.
Fun.
Hey, come over here.
You're pretty.
I'm not going over there.
kid. Yes, you over.
Cody, stop moving.
I know. You can tell you're not with your
Ew.
mother. You can tell you're not with your mother. Oh my goodness. Oh my.
Hey, Kayla, get out of the way
Oh
for
my,
a second.
you're not supposed to cry with me.
This side's no good.
Are you not supposed to cry with me?
Cody,
Can he get all the
Cody.
milk in there?
Cody,
Okay,
Smile.
middle name.
Rose, Cody.
Hanny Rose. I call my niece is Hannah. Hannah Kathleen, I call her Hanny K. Ah, there you go. Good. There you go.
Oops.
You want one of those?
Good.